So, hello guys, how are you? With heavy spoiler alert, here is the full plot leak of Black Widow 2020. Okay, here we go. Movie start with a short role of Robert Downey Jr. or an audio. Scene is just after the ending of Captain America Civil War. Stark suggests Natasha to run and hide.
Run, bitch! Run!
Cause Thaddeus Ross gonna come after them. Them means Cap, Natasha and Sam. She goes to Buta Pass, the place where the Red Room was existed, the place where she get trained in her old days, looking for a device that can make them untraceable from Agent Ross. But Red Room was shut down long time ago, so she goes to Yelena, role played by Florence Pugh. Natasha knows that Yelena can find it, so she goes her apartment and they have fight. Till when they realize that they are not going to kill each other. Then they settled, have beer, talk about guilds, and they bond. Then Yelena tells that she can't help because Red Room still have that device. The Red Room is not totally shut down, still making widows there with different program. Then they talk about Draco, the starter of the very first program where Natasha and Yelena get trained. Draco was mentioned in very first Avenger movie where Natasha talking to Loki about her grapes that she killed Draco's daughter. Then we see a flashback scene when Natasha was young. She was ordered to kill the man, but she can't. But Yelena killed him without a second thought. Because of all these things, Natasha hid this Red Room and she was running away from it. But Draco caught her, who was with her daughter, and they have fight. During the fight, Natasha tried to escape, so she shoots something to divert them. But Draco's daughter get killed in the explosion. Then scene change and they are back in track to get the device from the Red Room. But suddenly Taskmaster enters and kick their asses. And they realize that they can't defeat Taskmaster alone, so they decide to get together. Then they meet with Melina, role played by Rachel Weisz. Melina is the oldest widow among them. She is like motherly to them. Takes Lexi out from prison and have a reunion party, which we seen in trailer. After that, they go to the old Red Room facility and found nothing except a list of safe house. Then Natasha caught by CIA agent Mason, role played by Otifak Benley, who was working for Ross.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Natasha make a deal with Ross. First shut down the Red Room completely, then she will come back to Ross. Agent Ross wants her because of his own reason. He wants to control all the awesome agents that he can replace Nick Fury and take charge of the SHIELD. Mason was impressed by Natasha. He tried to kiss her too, but she said she is not good in relationships. Her last boyfriend would run away. Obviously she was talking about the Hulk. After that, they goes to safe house from the list they found in old Red Room. Found the untraceable device here, but with a trap. Then Taskmaster enters in Hawkeye style and they have a fight and Mason get killed by headshot. Then they escape, but Taskmaster copied their fighting technique. After that, Taskmaster attack on them with some goons and Lexi was also killed by the Taskmaster.
These nuts.
Somehow Natasha and Yelena take down Taskmaster, but they found it's a bot with a voice changing command of Melina. Then biggest twist came in. Melina reveals that she and Draco have a daughter, but Natasha killed them both, so she was taking revenge. And Melina is the person who is operating the Red Room, creating widows with different programs. Then she orders every widow to kill them, but Natasha convinced them all that Melina is doing wrong with them, so fight from their side. After that, Natasha and Yelena, by changing their fighting style with each other, have a fight with Melina and take her down. And this time, Yelena killed Melina without a second thought by shooting in her head. Then we see a goodbye scene of Natasha and Yelena. But at this time, Yelena stole the untraceable device from Natasha. When she was going, Natasha looked at her and gave a smile. And in the end, some post-credit scene we will see. Yelena goes in a dark room where bunch of soldiers pointing guns at her. She threw the device on a table. Then Agent Ross and Taskmaster arrive. She yelled and says killing Melina was not part of the deal. Then Taskmaster remove his helmet and remove his bandage and point out that she returned the favor by shooting in head. It seems like it's not the first time she done that. After that, we see one more post-credit scene where Hawkeye and Natasha looking at Natasha's grave and the movie ends. Thanks for watching guys and your support. Hit like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.